Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we're going to wrap up the mini tub installation, try to tie up all the loose ends that are left with that. But I want to know what you guys think about these wheels. These are a performance pack clone of an S550 Mustang wheel, and I put them in under the car here just to kind of see what a bigger tire would look like with the mini tub in. It's the biggest tire I had available. This isn't the look I was planning on going for with this car, but I kind of like it. I have no need for a 19-inch wheel on this car. I'm not going to run big enough brakes to need that, but I could potentially run these wheels. I have two of these. I could get more performance pack wheels to get a full set, or get another pair of the American Muscle Racing wheels of these for the fronts, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway, we'll be wrapping up the mini tub installation here. Got to get the trunk hinge mounts brackets cut up and ground down enough to fit the new mini tubs, and then get those welded on. Got to get the seat brackets welded on. I still have a fair amount of welding to do around the edges, especially on the trunk side of this passenger side mini tub. So quite a bit of work, but not too crazy. Mostly a bunch of welding and some grinding. So we'll try to get that done. Anyway, let me know what you think about these wheels, the look of it on this car, and then we'll get to it. You guys see that? Oh, it's feeling pretty sketchy. Wow, all right. Had to modify our tool to clear the mini tubs, but here we are. Crisscross applesauce each other here. Oh, my face shield is fogging up. It's too cold in here. Okay, locked in there, locked and loaded. Oh. Prop rod fell out. Oh, come on. Whew. That one popped me a bit. We are in. Prop rod landed on me. We're good. All right. Let's get out and see if that works. Yeah. Burps. Thank you, oak prop rod. All right. Here's our tool. How to add a little jog in it so we can clear the mini tub. Probably could have used a little bit more jog even, but it worked. Our trunk closes, opens, looking good. All right, we got some of the tedious work done there, the cleanup and stuff. We got the trunk hinge brackets all welded in, and we got the torsion springs all hooked back up. Got all the welding done all the way around the tub on the passenger side. Driver's side, we were already done with that. And we got the seat brackets all welded in, both sides. So that top package tray area up there is much more sturdy with those in there. So making good progress. Waiting on some parts to come. Hopefully they come in the next week or so. I want to do subframe connectors next. I do have some other things I can start working on if those don't show up, but they are supposed to ship out first or second week of November, so hopefully they will come. I do need to cut this piece out and do a little brace on that little like spare tire holder piece. I just need to patch that. It's rusting out and breaking apart, so we're just going to remove it all the way and cut a piece of sheet metal to put in there. So maybe I'll work on that next. But anyway, let me know what you guys think of the wheels that I showed at the beginning. Let me know if you think that's cool or not. I think it's kind of neat. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.